Good morning, traders. This is Sean Oman from FXChatter.com. Today is Tuesday, May 17th, 2011, and this is the Daily Fundamental Report, which we use to track the flow of money around the world in order to predict the directional movement for the dollar and other currencies. So let's get to the data this morning. Wall Street just opened a few minutes ago, and we see that gold is down, which is positive US dollar. We see that oil is down, which is positive US dollar, and we see that equities are down, which is positive US dollar. These are the big three. We're going to place the most weight on these three indicators. But following that, we also have conflicting data, in which the US Treasuries were up slightly, which is negative US dollars. Commodities, which were up, which is negative US dollar. And on the news front, US news, building permits were down, which is negative US dollar. So we have basically a balance of 3 up and 3 down, but with the most weight falling to gold, oil, and equities. So overall, the data is pointing towards a stronger US dollar, but with conflicting data on all fronts, we could see a range-bound day today. I'm going to be looking at buying into the dollar, going along the dollar today. Of course, we need to keep our eye on all the data throughout the day, looking for any changes or indications of a reversal. And you can read the entire article on FXChatter.com for a detailed report of the activity for today. Thank you for joining us. Look for the report every day, shortly after the Wall Street Open. Also look for articles and commentaries, detailed reports of the information we just discussed. Thank you and have a good day. Happy trading.